After you had your second surgery, you said the realization of the impact of it came fairly quickly and sort of with some real force. And so I was wondering if you can describe this moment when you kind of recognized how much of an impact it had truly had for you.
Yes. After the first surgery, I felt relief, real significant relief. So a lot of the discomfort was removed. That was the right hip. That was the one. And I'll just give you an example of what it felt like. So imagine if you have in your hip a piece of gravel, and then every time you step on that foot, on that leg, it just sharply touches a nerve. And there's just a shooting pain. So that was what it was each time. Well, that's gone now. And then, and interestingly, the doctor is about my age, a great guy, very experienced surgeon. He said to me, and he had a great physician's assistant too. I love her. She's fantastic. She walked me through what's going to happen before it happened. She says, this is what your recovery is going to look like. She was right on every account. So I really had a great team. And they said, you will know when it's time for your left one. Your left one needs to be done, and you will know. And it was really clear after probably 3 months after the right one was done, I need to get this left one done as well. But what you're talking about is probably 4 days after the second one was done. And I normally shave in the shower, but on this day, I couldn't shower yet, so I was shaving in the mirror. And that's very rare. And I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I just have this emotional breakdown. And just said to myself, you're reborn. It's gone. And it was just this amazing feeling of imagining what life is going to be like. And I told the surgeon that, and when we had our first meeting, and I told Carrie, his physician's assistant, I said, thank you for this. I feel like a new man. I feel like a new human. I'm very excited about what life has to offer me. And it just this amazing feeling of just seeing myself in a new light after years of not really understanding that this might be possible.